Hello everyone, welcome to Celebs Record. In this YouTube video, we describe that after 27 years of what seemed like an unbreakable bond, Hugh Jackman and Deborah Lee Furness have officially called it quits. What happened behind these scenes? Let's break down everything we know about their shocking divorce. So let's get right into the video. After 27 years of marriage, one of Hollywood's most enduring couples, Hugh Jackman and Deborah Lee Furness, have announced their separation. The news has shocked fans and industry insiders alike, given the couple decades alongside public image of unwavering love and mutual supporting. The couple first met in 1995 on the sets of the Australian TV series Coralie and married a year later. Since then, they have supported one another through career lives and personal milestones, including raising their two adopted children. Jack have often credited Deborah Lee for being his rock through the unpredictable world of fame. In their statement, the pair emphasized that the decision was mutual and made with love and respected. We have been blessed to share almost 3 decades together as husband and wife in the wonderful, loving marriage they wrought. Our journey now is shifting and we have decided to separate to pursue our individual growth. While the statement stressed privacy and companion, the media frenzy has already begun. Speculation is swirling online, especially as Hugh Jackman has recently appearing on Broadway alongside actress Sutton Foster, with some tabloids suggesting a growing closeness between the two. Support from fans and fellow celebrities have poured in, with many praising the couple for their dignity and transparency. Social media have been flooded with messages of love and encouragement, as fans reflected on the couple's legacy and how they navigated fame with humility and grace. Hugh and Deborah Lee have long advocated for adoption and child welfare causes, often putting family above fame as they now embark on separate journey. Supporters are hopeful that both will continue to lead lives rooted in purpose, authenticity, and resilience, the same values they promoted during the time together. As more developments unfold, this country continues to remind us that even the strongest relationships can evolve. Stay tuned for updates, behind the scenes insights, and what the next for Hugh Jackman and Deborah Lee Furness in this new chapter of their lives. As Hugh and Deborah Lee go their separate ways, we wish them both healing and happiness in this new chapter. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite Hollywood stories. See you in the next video and take care. All the best.